it off the bucket list.
It was a great day.
What?
It was a great day.
The greatest of days.
Great.
All right, first step doing brakes is popping the hood. Why? Because I said so. Oh yeah, e-brake doesn't work, so I gotta bust them loose first. Yo.
You want to hit the track?
Yeah. That was one of Jay's buddies. Just picked up a windbreaker and some stickers that Jay made. So now, back to the Z.
We just made this car 30 times better. Overdue banner added. It's a little bit crooked, it's a little bit bigger on that side, but you can't tell. And then we made it way better from behind. We didn't completely wipe the rear window down, but I mean, who cares, right? Because you can't see out of this shit anyway.
Sick.
Cars.
Do a little bit of marketing, sell some more stuff.
Sell some little bangs, sell some t-shirts, sell some stickers. If you need anything, hit your boy up. Low dollar decals.
Yeah. Saturday morning. It's about time to head to Apple Valley Speedway. Right now I'm about to gas up. The track is about 2 hours away. Not sure if I will be able to drift because it was sold out. But I've been talking to a homeboy that runs it, Mr. Andy. He said to find him at the gate when I get there and probably work something out. I'm actually surprised gas is cheaper out here in LA than San Diego. San Diego is $3.40 something for premium. So let me show you how the AC works in the Z. You scoop your hand like this and go like that, you got fresh air. What up? You on the way?
Not yet.
Sick. Don't bring the S or nothing low, because the road up here is treacherous. I barely made it in the Z.
You made it there, okay?
Barely on that road. God damn. It's bottoming out every fucking 2 seconds. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that.
Alright.
So you don't bring nothing good and mess it up.
Alright.
Cool. Alright, later, player.
See you later.
Well, it looks like Jay will be on his way pretty soon. It's like a 2.5 hour drive for him from San Diego, so be a little while before we see him. Up there's the stop sign. Andy said he'll be up there somewhere to ask for when I got here. So we'll see how it goes. All right, we're here. This event is packed. I just talked with Andy. He's still trying to figure out how to get me on. So there's the Z, sitting all super low, treacherous getting here. So yeah, I guess now it's time to go take a look around. Mustang, 197 maybe. I don't know my Mustangs that well.
That's 197, 2011, so first year for the 5.0 thing back.
Oh yeah.
I think it's time to blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Crooks on the run, see the tanks that they be on some old bebop views with the shit we on. Preach, we out for the bread like Cleon, infatuated with chains. They got about 3 on. Told if you approach, get big like Rion. A straight go G on them, y'all aliens and we go more like Hamlet, y'all do too, more like sandwich. Looking for a better metaphor to fill the void between rap and snap. Shit, crooks stay with it. Exactly why them good guys ain't with it, and probably why they ain't never gonna get it. Too considerate of others' feelings. Ruthlessness, can you feel it? Insert bad guys in the build. Bounty on the head of the enemies, finna be a whole lot of blood by the end of the day. Relay it to the office in which we stay. If we don't catch him, then we don't get paid. And I'd rather get a raise and I'd rather get laid by the women that are amazed by the way that I chase. And I do my job, and when I draw, they all erase. I'm Spiegel, biatch, I'm super cool. Don't forget this cigar. Rapping beyond every other on the planet. I'm a bounty hunting savage and I'm far from an amateur. I don't fucking make beats, I'm a fucking rapper. Like, what the fuck, yo? I ain't got time for it. You ain't feature for me, you know what I'm saying, man? Like, what's some thinking, son? When you gonna help me? Fuck you. Fucker, why you want help? Fuck it. Give him a verse, see what he do with it. Translucent niggas get sawed through. Your enemies really would get sawed through. Face it, you know that I'm a bad mother lover. As I break down the trees, Paul Bunyan. You look shooken, younger than most of you, and my rhyme looks stupid. Effortlessly, I leave a face clueless. Doofus, I really do this without help from you, kid. Sick 1-4, then add another 2, kid. I spit a verse, crowd sounding like woo, kid. Tag your it, bitch, and I'm just it shit. I'm like the pink shit when the bitch skin itching. I got the sickest written, they loving the penmanship. Clever like when I was writing the pen, that hovered over it, over and out. Well done. I'm medium red, son, and I'm the only one. Yeah, believe that. No. Nah, man. Yeah, man, you remember that shit when I asked you that favor? It's all good, don't worry about it. Now you see me doing my thing, you see me everywhere. All peoples and shit, you know, let's go. Yeah, I know you for 10 years, but that don't mean shit. We never kicked the bull capers, even smoked on some shit. We worked together at Starbucks, and that was it. You know me for my music, tried to get you in the movement. To pass out CDs, flyers, and staple posters. I was out the 4 in the morning, you supposed to be there, but you never showed up. I know you know my number, cause you said I was blowing it up. I know you're not from it, tried to show you some city love. You get in free with me at any club. It's something about him that I mention. He love black women and an out of shape white Frenchman. Every time you come around, yeah, you feel the tension. Try to teach me about hip hop like a composition. I know I said when I get big, I give you a position, but stalking me like Stan ain't a part of the acquisition. Yeah. Oh, you wanna collab? Alright, that's cool. Hit my email up. It's lyricist.collabs@gmail.com. You know, we were supposed to collab like 2 years ago, but you kinda brushed me off. You remember? Nah. Oh, you don't remember? Nah. Alright. Well, hey, look. I was recording in the old closets with mildew stills with only 100 fans screaming out that they feel it. I ain't have a cosign, so I wasn't appealing. Now my fan base got no ceiling, and I don't even listen to Dwayne Carter, but my name holds clout. Some of my features seem to give careers a main starter. I remember you, Joe. We talked on AIM, right? This is a year before I had out a name, right? Now you got signed and they put you on the show, and now you wanna link cause you learn what this game like. But I never been comfortable with the fake type. Standing on another nigga's shoulders just to make hype. You tryna eat off the plate I cooked to prepare. I know this is a game, but that ain't playing fair. You wanna do a track, but carry me for a verse. Well, give me 200 for the verse, or I can't help you.
begins. Deviated one front tire. Don't know if that's going to be able to rebeat and be alright. And then this rear tire on this side should record. Whew. So yeah, definitely putting this car through its paces. But I can't go too much harder. I got to drive this car 3 hours back to San Diego. So here's what's going on. We got hella oil. But looking, I didn't see some hand messed up or anything. So I'm thinking the dipstick tube came out. Hopefully that's all it was. But whew, push that back in once it cools down a little bit. Pretty much I'm out these 2 tires and I'm pretty much done for the day because I don't want to mess anything else up or ruin more tires. All right, today was a success. If I drifted in California, could check it off the bucket list.
It was a great day.
What?
It was a great day.
The greatest of days.
Greatest of days.
There's Recharge, JS2K, Call Me Chino. Roll this down.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
There's Banjo, aka Heartless.
AKA Onikion. __.
Damn. So the Z's actually okay. We started it back up after getting the tires and stuff mounted and back on the car, and it's not leaking anymore. So it looks like it was just from the dipstick pulling out. So got the burnt up tires on the front. They ain't too low. They should get us where we're going. And the fresh boys in the rear. So time for a quick drive. We're gonna stop at Anaheim, get some wheels for Banjo, Heartless, and then from there back to San Diego.